Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Collins Mbesuma wayedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu washaya amagoli awu-35 ngesizini eyodwa eshisa bhek for i-Chiefs. And ayesecommentile about what's happening laphana eNaturena. Uthi i-striker zaku-Chiefs azikho good enough ukuthi zidlalele i-Chiefs. Ukhala ngokuthi kushentshwa i-striker now and then awazi ukuthi isiphi lento lengihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi awazi ukuthi isiphi i-striker esizongena esizoqala. Uthi mo i-striker laphana nawe mongudlala 3 games or so ungakori negoli elilodwa akumele ube angry ngempela ucasuke for ukuthi uyahluleka ukushaya amagoli. Uthi-ke akaboni kusho ukuthi azikho good laphana i-strike uthi nje makaba directors azikho good zonke i-strike eziku-Kaizer Chiefs. Futhi ukhale ngalento lo ukuthi every 6 months or a year njalo bafake balethe ezinye i-striker ku-Kaizer Chiefs uthi yena akekho convinced at all. Mekhuluma nge-striker uthi i-Chiefs bekumele ithathe le striker lesi uMayele bekumele basayine yena but-ke siyazi ukuthi uBobby wamchitha umfana wathi hayi akekho good enough for i-Chiefs. uMayele ayi-strike esi-good kakhulu bafethu wasayinana nabo Caleb nezinye i-strike ezafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs zahluleka. Khona okunye akumentionile laphana uMbesuma bafethu okubalulekile uthi uma uyi-striker amagoli wakho kumele akukhulumele. Hhayi lento leyo ko-coach baloke bachaza ukuthi mengaliphathanga ibhola iyakwazi ukusiza i-team. Ilento le I think usho lento leyo ukuthi o-coach sebafuna i-striker zimake, that is why manje ubona iKadaro bele after i-center umuntu i-center akekho umuntu naseboxini akatholakali laphana phambili kuzophenduka uDodo we-striker kanti no i-striker esi-good but i-system abayidlalayo ayikho good enough. That is why uMbesuma athi yena akasibhayi sonke lesikelemu lesokuthi i-striker kumele i-striker ezibizwa ngama-hard work ukuthi ziyasiza. Uthi nje uma uyi-striker kumele makuphela isizini makuhlalwa phansi nawe kumele kubhekwe ama-stats wakho ukuthi ugore amagoli awungakhi. Uthi okunye okubalulekile nge-striker bafethu i-presence. Uthi uma uyi-striker laphana kumele bakusabe ama-defender kumele akusabe. Uthi yena akakuboni lokho ku-Chiefs. Futhi uthi i-striker zaku-Chiefs azinayo lo hanga ne-leadership. Uthi laphana ku-Chiefs kudingeka i-striker esizoba yingozi ngempela and then-ke abanye bazolandela from leso striker leso. Uthi bona that time bedlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs they set the bar very high and then-ke kuyabonakala ukuthi kunzima ukuthi abantu ba-maintain noma to take i-Kaizer Chiefs to that level again. Because I mean ama-fans I think for if you've watched Kaizer Chiefs for 20 years, for 30 years, you know what Kaizer Chiefs represented. Mina I've watched the Chiefs for 25, close to 25 years or so. I know i-glory days ye-Chiefs than abantu abaqala ukubukela i-Chiefs ngabo ma-2010s or late 2010s ubone ukuthi akusaseyile i-Chiefs le thina siyaziyo. It was just about winning. Uma udlala league i-Chiefs uyi-striker uduma i-country yonke, hhayi ukuthi abantu bayakuprotecta bayakuzwela no bevele uduma i-country yonke because of bebakwazi ukusayina i-striker ezi-good. Whether basithathe eZambia, bakuthathe eZimbabwe or bakuthathe eNorth Africa, whether bakuthatha kuphi but siyazi ukuthi uma ku-Chiefs uzowathola ama-opportunities. I think methi uma uyi-striker ama-defender kumele akusabe. Uyabona ngicabangile ngabheka i-striker zaku-Chiefs ngathi isiphi i-striker saku-Chiefs ama-defenders aba-worried mesikhona. I had to think bafethu asikho. Ngisho mina lokho ukuthi ube worried ngempela. Yes uSilva is coming out nice, uyazama but-ke o-coach abakabhiliveli kuye fully naye ukuthi okay uzo-leader i-Chiefs. That is why umbona aqala from the bench. So ubani obalidayo i-leadership uMbesuma u-right methi i-leadership ayikho laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of if i-leadership beyikhona ngabe i-starting lineup siyasazi ngabe siyazi ukuthi kule position le kabani. Naku right back manje asazi bafethu ukuthi i-position kabani, kaMunyane, kaFoster, kaSolomons. Next game singaba surprised futhi kuvele kudlala omunye umuntu besingamcabanga nokumcabanga. Are they hungry? Mekhuluma uMbesuma uthi vele labantu laba they're not hungry enough. They're not hungry bafethu. Abantu abaningi bajabuliswa honest ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Players used to be hungry. That is why when I tell these young guys, these young boys or these young men, some of them that I interact with, ngithi mfethu una-20 wena awukazi uyibona i-Chiefs, awukazi yabona uma uthi uke wayibona i-Chiefs eshisayo unamanga, awukazi uyibona, awukazi walibona i-quality of ibhola and the true identity of South African football. You have seen what Europeans have implemented. That is why once umuntu washaya iskill and then sokuyi-big issue because of ama-European wasufika walida ibhola lase-South Africa. Yeah, what a loss for i-Chiefs ukuthi ingakwazi ukumsayina uMayele bafethu. Asimuveleni kwezinye ngoba phela ngeke ziphele. le uMbesuma through i-conversation yakhe ngoba umenshine nezinye i-striker laphana eza ku-P_S_L engeke ngiy'bale okwamanje bafowethu. So umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu uLokho uKaizer Motaung bekhuluma ne-media-ke laphana eNaturena. Yeah, because abafana be-Chiefs bahambile baye laphana eNgilandi angithi nabo bashilo bathi bazo-represent i-South Africa, not just i-Kaizer Chiefs. Baya-understand ukuthi badlalela one of the biggest teams, so that is why ku-important for bona ukuthi badlale kahle kakhulu laphana e-England. And then umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs uKaizer Motaung Junior uthe for bona bafuna vele ukuba ku-global stage. Ithi siphoze lapho bafethu bafuna ukuba ku-global stage. That is why i-CAF football sebayithatha serious kanje. Baby steps, baqala ku-CAF Confederations Cup, bayazi ukuthi i-main goal ukulwa laphana ukuba ku-CAF Champions League, ukuba kuma-teams awu-2 ase-South Africa baku-CAF Champions League every season. If bangakwenza lokho baloke baqhubeka and then bamisele ku-CAF, potential thola ukuthi sebagcine bayiwina ngelinye ilanga bazokwazi ukuqualifya ku-World Cup. Ile global pedigree, global stage akhuluma ngayo Kaizer Motaung Junior. Then nasi i-statement-ke like kuma-interviews wakhe into engihlezi ngizwa ukuthi abantu abayi-understand lento ukuthi yini. Ukhuluma uthi i-brand upfront yiyo into slow i-Kaizer Chiefs down-ke bafethu throughout the years. Ile nto lokuthi babeka i-brand upfront, i-image ye-Chiefs, nanokuthi-ke I mean they focus on generating imali more. They've already have like they generate billions as i-Kaizer Chiefs, right? But-ke they always put i-brand upfront. That is why ubone Naturena like kune-media buzz serious even ne-DDC team. I don't think mina ngeke ngabona i-DDC team ithola i-media buzz so angikaze ngibona i-DDC team ithola i-media buzz so abantu baya-interviewa kuze ama-journalist iyajima i-DDC team Kaizer Chiefs, but kune-media like close to more than 10 journalists babukela i-DDC team. So what they have done ku-Chiefs, and they've done this thing quite well, i-brand yabo, to position i-brand i-Chiefs as one of the biggest brands in South African football. In fact, one of the biggest football brands in the world. But mawuza kuma-results akumechi, ama-results awamechi i-brand yabo, i-pedigree yabo in terms of i-brand. So that is why abantu abaningi bathi abanye banokuthi senifocus ekuthengisa iy'kipa than ukuthi nithola ama-results inside the field of play, banokusho kanjalo. Mawubheka usisi umama laphana uJessica Motaung, what he has done for i-Chiefs in terms of like i-brand, but no, yazi uthola yedwa iqiniso nalo abantu enkinga abalazi. Khona ubhuti ubani, ngamkhohlwa igama lakho, umhlobo wenene man, u-light skinned, umhlophe ngokwebala, ngisho kanjalo ukuthi abantu bonke ba-understand. Mawawa noma ubani, earlier was young, mephusha i-brand i-Kaizer Chiefs bayipromote, and then ukujoyina ama-membership. I-Chiefs yeza nalezi zinto zama-membership, ngiqala ukuwubona mina at the forefront, but babesebenzisa ama-media personalities, babesebenzisa umuntu wakumhlobo wenene. The guy has been one of the biggest ever in history of umhlobo wenene. Yeah, ngizolikhumbula igama lakho ukuthi ubani bafethu, ngizolisho before ngiyivale i-clip. So akusiwe uJessica Motaung uthathe i-brand vele seyikuposition right, because on the ground seyikhulile i-brand, yena wa-inherita i-brand right vele already. And there were many people on the ground who made sure ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, it reaches the people, and their story, they curate their story around what it means to be on the ground. Zonke lezo zinto lezo, but ngizoyichaza lezi zinto zama-brand. Ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ngiyichaze kahle eceleni. If khona umuntu ofuna ngi-extende, ningangibhalela i-message under ama-comment ukuthi ngichaze in different. uDonay Jansen bafethu, disappointment from yena umfana uDonay. Siyazi ukuthi wapromotewa ku-Chiefs I think 2 years back, but manje sebuyele ku-DDC team, wakatravelanga ne-team laphana kwe-England, sibe sengikushilo lokho ngakuriphotanga. Okunye kokuvela ukuthi bekangatraina nokutraina ne-team-ke last days, because of akekho ku-trip yabo yase-England ngoba una 22 years, na-22 abanye bano-21, so akaqualify yena. Bazamile ukuloko immigration, bazamile uku-explain, but zange bakuvume lokho, bathi umfanako usale kanjalo. Abanye abangahambanga ubuhloko no-coach Khumalo, bothi uKaizer Junior uchazile ukuthi bebase no-Sean else ukuthi bebalena phesheya eQatar badlala i-World Cup. So by the time ba-applyela izinto zokuhamba zokundiza bona babengekho, azange bakwazi uku-apply-a for izinto, that is why bangeke bakwazi ukuhamba ne-team baye e-England, which is sad because of uKhumalo sesebenze ne-team for isikhathi eside and then u-contribute kakhulu ku-success ye-Chiefs to what it is today in terms of i-DDC ukuthi baba ama-champions walaphana. So it's sad ukubona ukuthi ubaba laphana engahambi. Amaplayer amaningi khona into eshiwo ulo uKaizer Junior uthe amaplayer amaningi laphana ku-Chiefs uthe they would be mad or they would not be okay if like bafuna nje ukuhlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs or bafuna ukudlala overseas. Uthi kusho ukuthi kuchaza ukuthi manje uma beya laphana e-England kumele bamake sure ukuthi abantu bayababona baba-recognize-a. Uthi uyafisa ukuthi maybe ama-teams afana no-Manchester United mabaqeda ukudlala nabo bakwazi maybe ukubafonela bababuze ngaba-certain players ukuthi bangakujabulela lokho ukubonisa uku-advertise ama-player wabo kakhulu. But ushilo laphana uthi ku-development or ko-DDC team is not about winning, but it's ama-results abalulekile but not that much bafowethu, to be honest. Usho kanjalo uthi about i-progress ukuthi abafana bakwazi ukukhula. So yinto abayi-aimela yona ezi-Chiefs, hhayi ukuthi uma bangena ema-match nje bathi hey win no, but uyasho ukuthi kumele bakwazi nokufunda laphana in terms of ukukhula. Ushilo ukuthi igame yeZamalek lana yange-weekend izobe tough kakhulu, izobe inzima. Uthi nje ukuthi badlale laphana ePolokwane ngeke kube lula ukudlala neZamalek, but ushilo ukuthi neZamalek kuzoba nzima ukuthi idlale laphana ePolokwane. Why? Because of i-heat. Uze wamention i-heat, ilanga ngo-3 AM ukuthashe kancane nje waphelela lapha, azange sachaza, but-ke maybe babathatha bababeka laphana e-northern side of i-South Africa ukuthi ba-experience kusho i-weather maybe ingabafavor ukuthi egrawundini kubonakale nabo bakwazi ukuthola ama-results as i-Chiefs kaze bazokwazi ukuyishaya iZamalek. So lokho esiwubuzile lo mbuzo until igame ifika. So into esibhekane nayo bafethu inkinga yama-contracts ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of maningi ama-player kumele ba-renew ama-contract abo or bathathe ama-final decision. Umuntu immediate ekhuluma ngaye in recent days bafethu uSolomons, because uSolomons udlala kahle kakhulu and then abantu abaningi bathi kumele bamrenewele i-contract yakhe, uyadeserve ukuhlala laphana. But my question is, if wonke ama-player performa ku-last year of their contract, it means that the Kaizer Chiefs will be pressured ukuthi ba-renew ama-contract, but umuntu okhona bebangasenamaplani wakhe. Masikhumbula kahle even last year or the previous transfer window le siqeda ukubuya kuyo, bekunama-right back amaningi abawabhekile, even ubani uMabuza from ePortugal, uMabuya lo we-Richards Bay, and then uMabuza lo odlala ePortugal manje, but-ke kwaba-available Thabiso Munyane, then they dropped abanye abantu. Solomons manje ukuperforma kahle kakhulu, uya-understand ukuthi at the age of 28 ukwi-peak, and if angahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs manje it means ukuthi kumele uqalela phansi kuma-teams amancane, ngeke athole ama-contract or i-contract e-good than Kaizer Chiefs, to be honest. That is why aperforma kahle kangaka. But-ke based on just ama-performances wakhe, mina I would still choose uThabiso Munyane ukuthi okay, they would rather have i-right back encane, for example ubani uSifiso Timba umfana, if angilenzi iphutha udlala kuleya position uSifiso Timba laphana ku-DDC team, and then they trust this guy, bayazi ukuthi he will grow around the team for the next 10 years than ukuthi bheka nje ukuthi maningi kangakanani ama-contract okumele bafethu a-renew. Asikhuluma ngoVuma, uPeterson, uSolomons, uKwenika, uMatlowu last year i-contract yakhe, uGustin Sereno, ngingabala abantu more than 10, I think boma-14 mangibheka ama-contract wabo asekugcineni okumele babheke ukuthi bazowa-renew or ngeke bawa-renew lama-contract lawa. So if i-team iyakuyeka and then you go to your last last few months of your contract, it means that they don't value you that much. They already planned ahead ukuthi okay, usibanibani ngeke simdinge so i-plan labo ukuthi udlale just nje iphele i-contract yakho and then-ke they move forward without you. But-ke uma udlale kahle you get a-renewal, but-ke ngeke udlale eteamini for 4 years 3 years bafethu but kungadelivi, only for you ukuthi udelive ku-last year of i-contract yakho, and then leyo nto leyo you earn ilokhunjani i-contract entsha ngithi, then for the next 3 years futhi uya-relaxa udlale kahle. When usalelwe few 6 months kuphela i-contract yakho kuphela, so kwenziwa kanjani kuleyo situation leyo? Ngoba eqinisweni abafuna abantu aba-hungry from start to finish. Whether umuntu une-contract ya-6 years or ya-5 years, ya-1 year or yani, you gotta perform. But ama-player amaningi, what I've seen laphana ku-Chiefs, they only perform masokusele a few months of i-contract yabo. Quinny, I don't want to go to him, but naye bekumele ahambe ku-Chiefs according to abantu ama-insiders, ne? But-ke uperformile, to be honest, uyadeserve ukuthi ahlale ku-Chiefs. Uperforme kahle kakhulu, like last couple of months, like before isizini iphela, kula abe solid laphana emuva, make sure ukuthi uvala kwasani laphana ku-Chiefs. So yeah, so kumele bazame ngempela ukuthi baperform amajita. uKaizer Motaung Jr. mekhuluma nemedia, simuveleni kuye, mekhuluma nemedia uthi inyanga enkulu for bona ezodefine kusho ukuthi isizini yabo ukuthi izoba kanjani, izohamba kanjani noma ime kanjani, uthi uJanuary, because siyazi ukuthi uJanuary bafethu kuzoba nama-matches amaningi, late January angithi kuzoba nama-matches amaningi, then badlala i-catch up, khona ama-match already bawapostponile kusho ukuthi kuyodlalwa ngawo lowo January lowo. So kubalulekile for bona ukuthi ba-switch on, bakwazi ukudeliver whenever they're given an opportunity to play. Nawo amagama wakhe laphana uKaizer Motaung Jr. bafethu uthi ngoJanuary bayazi ukuthi bazodlala ama-matches amaningi since-ke i-AFCON izoza ne-World Cup next year. Uthi-ke uJanuary kuzoba isikhathi la babuya khona vele ukuthi badlale kula bazoba tested ngempela, so kuzobonakala ukuthi obani. So uthi kubalekile ukuthi they to keep their heads on the ground and make sure ukuthi baba focus laphana. Uthi-ke they've done very well in terms of ama areas bebafuna ukureduce in terms of ukhuluma nge-defense la, uthi ku-defense they've done very well in terms of ukuthi abaconcede amagoli amaningi, and then uthi-ke kumele ba-make sure ukuthi bayawa-convert ama-opportunities lawa abawatholayo. Uthi-ke ucabanga ukuthi i-technical team, ye-first team, ucoach uKhalil and uCedric basebenza kahle kakhulu bafethu, and they're working hard laphana together with ama-analysis we-team. Uthi-ke ziningi, uthi there is i-understanding engcono, kusho ukuthi there's a better understanding compared to last season. Uthi-ke uyazi ukuthi bake babe nama-result, bathola ama-results abangawafuni for the past weekend la bedlala khona e-Egypt ne-Al Masry. But-ke uthi-ke lo umsebenzi kusho ukuthi basawakha, like i-work in progress, uthi wonke umuntu uyazama ukusebenza. Uthi-ke kuzokhulunywa end of May ukuthi ngempela kumiswa kanjani in terms of like ucoach inini, and then I saw like abanye abantu bathi kuzoza ucoach omusha. Akekho ucoach ozoza manje omusha bafethu, khohlwa, because manje njengoba ashilo ukuthi kuze i-AFCON, so uma kuze i-AFCON there's not, kusho ukuthi if they get to coach after i-AFCON, it means that lowo coach uzofika just before February. So uzothola uFebruary, uMarch, uApril, uMay, 4 months kuphela ukuthi aziprove une-squad angasazi. They would continue nabo Cedric Keza no-Ben Khalil, and i-contract yabo iyaphela nabo ngoJune angithi, so they don't have i-pressure ukuthi ba-renew i-contract yabo. If benze kahle bazobona ukuthi maybe ubani abangamenza i-head coach, if abenzanga kahle bazobona ukuthi okay, amajida awuthi ayahamba bazothola i-head coach. But obviously they've done really well, very well, like if we compare them with last season, yeah. But the confusion of not having a starting lineup is straight, because if we're going to a-weekend, asazi ukuthi akekho umuntu guaranteed ukuthi uzoqala except u-goalkeeper, because siyazi ukuthi uPeterson uye sebamenze ulokhunjana i-captain ye-team, so yena uguaranteed ukuthi uzodlala uPeterson, then abanye obviously abekho guaranteed ukuthi bazodlala. But njengoba I think ngeke ngasho ukuthi as a team udinga i-first starting 11 yakho besho ngayo, besho ukuthi laba abadlalayo, and then ube nabanye abantu ababasupportayo ukuthi okay, some of them will come as a support boma second half, but you know ukuthi okay, this is our core team, and then this is how we maneuver around this team because we want to achieve great things. Yeah, it's gonna be a big season for bona, and enye into like it's a big audition for all coaches about two, ukuthi first umsebenzi, first co-coaches umsebenzi omkhulu ukuthi balide team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs kuzoba, I think it's going to be very important for them going forward ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-results, and then ukuthi their next job bakwazi ukuthi hawu thina sakwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs, yasinika i-chance, sakwazi ukuyilida, sakwazi nokuyiwinisa le cup. So yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. I think ngikhulumile ngo-Thulani Touch Mabaso, but khona izinto engingakakhulumi ngazo. Lo muntu lo uma ekhuluma ne-media uyambona ukuthi umfana ufocus ngempela, focus kakhulu umfana. Uthe bafuna ukuya laphana bona eNgilandi or even nala e-South Africa ukuthi bawine wonke amagemu abawadlalayo, ngoba i-opportunity enkulu for bona bafethu ukuthi bodlala lena phesheya babonise lesiya amathalente wabo. So i-trip yase-Europe nje abayithathi kancane ngoba bayazi ukuthi obvious banama-personal goals wabo nanokuthi as i-team bafuna uku-achieve-ani. That, well, some of the guys obviously laba abasha they have to adapt. DDC team, i-DDC team njengoba iya ngale sithemba ukuthi labafana aba-super talented laphana ku-DDC team abaningi nabo by next season bazokwazi ukuthola ama-opportunities, bangafili pressured ukuthi kumele basayine ama-players amaningi. No, banayo i-quality, banabo abafana abakwaziyo abangakwazi uku-represent i-team. Siyazi ukuthi it's a big brand. Obviously-ke akukho lula for wonke umuntu ukuthi afike nje adlale, but they have to believe with the system that they have, and obviously try and grow from lapho, because they do have the talent, they have the work rate. Abafana abancane, I think some of the boys laphana ku-DDC they are better than some of the senior team, some of the teammates kodwa ku-senior team, because